pakinggan yun. Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stray to a bright summer day when I kiss you and called you sweetheart? Do the chairs on your parlor seems empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? You know, someone said world stage mariruan na mang basa. Nagatumog ka man iti spelling kanya na nagatuloy.
Are you lonesome tonight? Are you lonesome tonight?
Nasa lang malata niya.
Yung tonight.
Yes, tonight. Tonight ko na sayang.
One. Hindi ko yan, RJ. Di correct. Yeah?
Apa na di? Gusto mo na tayo ano?
Yung tonight nga.
Ay, huwag kayong tipan. Honey, you lied when you said you loved me, and I had no cause to doubt. But I'd rather go on hearing your lies than go on living without you. Now the stage is bare, and I'm standing there with emptiness all around. And if you won't come back to me, they can bring the curtain down. Oh. Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? Okay, our starting score, Balong, is
1 point. Nanay Darlene Can, Felicias Reales, 2 points.
Ayan,
Kuya Joseph, 2 points.
Aming niya nakita tatay nga imuna kanon ni Ate Fel. But anyway, antay pa lang ta. Pati si kami dito ka maririruang kami. So dito tayo standing score, 1 point for
Nanay Darlene Can. 2 points Ate Fel.
And
2 points Kuya Joseph.
Oh, ngarod. Sino? Oh, sino nga takadakwada? Iti mga bagon. Iti da ito yung samarsan no apo nga. Sonata nga patukarin me. Di ba, Balong? Agor ka. Okay, awan ka dito. Nagkatuti ko niyo. Nagkatuti text messages. Bitinin pa lang din dyan. Padasam di pumasa dito.
Makipinugto daw lang nga ta dito eh.
Awan.
Kapakatawa. Ito. Good PM, John Mark at Kuya Jun. Bati yung mga kapatiran ko dito sa Pagrangayan at Villa Carmen. Ang bumati, Fishboy. Hindi ko alam yung pinapahula nyo dyan. Ay, hindi Kuya Fishball. Ano naman nagan natin yun? Si kuya yung nagtitinda ng fishball sa Pagrangayan. Hindi ko alam yung pinapahula nyo dyan. Sensya na. Okay lang kuya. Kaya lang namimiss namin yung fishball na benta mo. Hindi ka naman napupunta sa Villa Carmen.
Okay nga Rod, ito sumarunong nga sunata nga papugtuan tayo abo. Kada kito'y
Gangganaat.
Tagapangibang gangganaat nga pagilian. Ato yung sumarunong nga sunata tayo.
And feeling so low, you took my hand and eased my mind. Oh, was this strength? You showed me the way. Now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You've made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. In the dark, with my lonely broken heart, then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. You're always there to lend a helping hand when good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you've made them right. You've made my days so bright. You made me live again. In the dark, with my lonely broken heart, then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. Now look at me, differently, back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again.